Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I get my everyday drugstore makeup look. I personally love drugstore makeup and I just want to show you guys my favorite products and the ones that I think work best. So if you're interested in watching, then let's get started. To start off with foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Foundation. This foundation is hands down one of the best foundations I've tried at the drugstore. I really love the Maybelline Fit Me one as well, but I feel like this one gives me just a flawless full coverage look, and that's usually the look that I want, so this is definitely my favorite, and I'm wearing the shade in 220. So this foundation is definitely buildable. I'm usually good with one layer. I start off with one side of my face and then transition to the next side. The way I like to apply this is with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Obviously, it's a great dupe for a beauty blender. If you guys don't already know, this is a great alternative. Moving on to concealer, I have to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I know that this concealer is probably one of the most mentioned drugstore concealers on YouTube, but it definitely is one of the best ones, you guys. It does not get cakey under your eyes and it gives you just the perfect amount of coverage. It's just a great concealer overall, and obviously for the price, like, you just can't beat that. I normally just like to apply concealer underneath my eyes just because I have kind of dark circles, and then just on any blemishes that I may be dealing with, like today. Alright guys, and for powder, I'm using my CoverGirl Clean Professional Powder. This is a loose powder from the drugstore, of course. This is one of the best powders I've tried, honestly. It's not drying at all, and because I'm wearing a matte foundation, the last thing I want when I put on some powder is to feel super like dried out. But this does the complete opposite. It makes my skin feel so soft and just looks so flawless in person. I love it so much. I do definitely recommend you guys to try this out if you've been trying to find a loose powder from the drugstore. And moving on to my eyebrows, I'm using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit, and this is a gel and powder eyebrow kit duo. I only used the gel side. It is super easy to work with. You just gotta have like a light hand. You don't need that much product either, especially if you like a more natural brow like me. So yeah, as you can see, I just literally comb my eyebrows, fill them in like how they're naturally shaped, and I'm good to go. And now onto my eyes. I'm going to be using the Milani Gilded Rogue eyeshadow palette. I did not own any eyeshadow drugstore, so I had to go out and find one. This palette, can I just say, is so pretty. I've tried Milani eyeshadows in the past, so I was like, let me just give a palette a try. You guys, it is so pretty. I'm definitely going to do a review on this palette separately if you guys want to see that. But just for this video, I used two simple colors. One for my crease, it's called Peach Fuzz. It's like a brown, like burnt orangey shadow. That's gonna go on my crease and all over my eye. And for my eyelid, I'm using a shade called Hush Hush. It is just a white matte shade. I'm putting that first, and then right on top of that, I'm using another shade called Old Fashioned. It's just a darker bronze brown kind of copper color. That one's a little more glittery, so I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid and then blend everything out. Alright, and to continue with my eyes, I'm going to be lining my eyes with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is also one of the best eyeliners I've tried at the drugstore. I've tried a few other ones. This one is just the one I always come back to. e.l.f. used to carry also a really good one, but for now, this is my go-to. This dries super quickly, so you can easily apply your mascara right after. And when I say you guys, it does not come off throughout the day. Like, it will not come off. It doesn't like bleed off your eye, none of that. It literally just stays there all day till you have to wash it off. And for my lower lash line, again, I'm using the shade called Peach Fuzz from the Milani palette. This is just going to be to tie in my whole eye look. Okay, you guys, so moving on to my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is in Carbon Black. Honestly, one of the best mascaras I've tried from the drugstore. It literally separates my lashes perfectly, and it definitely gives me that false eyelash look. I do apply a few coats of this because I love huge eyelashes without having to buy falsies. Okay, you guys, and for bronzer, I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. It's a super pretty bronzer. It gives you more of a glow. You can slightly contour with it like I do. But yeah, favorite bronzer from the drugstore for sure. And for my lips, I'm using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the color Abu Dhabi. It is the most perfect nude lip cream ever. This is such an old product, but you guys, when I tell you I can't give it up, I literally can't give it up. It's one of the best lip products. It's just one of my favorite lip products, and it happens to be from the drugstore. So yeah, go check it out if you have not tried it before. Alright, you guys, and after that, this is my completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and let me know down below what you guys think and any other suggestions for videos that you guys want to see. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.